Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from HUAWEI device to OnePlus 10T. You need to begin by opening App Gallery on HUAWEI and Play Store on OnePlus. Then click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. After that, you need to install this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use Send Anywhere app, you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow, then do exactly the same on HUAWEI. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now you need to select receive over here on OnePlus at the bottom and choose send at the bottom left corner of your HUAWEI. From here you can click on all of those type of dots, and when you're ready, hit send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take some time though to do it now, so I will go with only this one photo, choose send and click on get it. Now on OnePlus you need to tap on one of those options, yes I agree or no thanks. Then click on close this window, and as you can see now, we have two ways to connect. We can input this key over here and then connect those smartphones by choosing receive button, or we can scan this QR code. If you want to do that, just tap on this scanning icon on your OnePlus, select while using the app or only this time, and point your device's camera at the QR code. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!